The next type of poem that we're going to learn about is a quatrain. Now, there are 3 different types of quatrains that we will be learning about. A quatrain is a 4-line rhyming poem that can be written in the following rhyme schemes: AABB, ABAB, or ABCB. The prefix qua means 4, which is where the 4 lines are coming from. Our first example is the pattern AABB. Sitting at the table, reading a funny fable, giggling over a crazy hair, I fell off my chair. So we have table and fable that rhyme, AA, and hair and chair that rhyme, BB. Let's look at my example. Walking to school, I found $5. I think I'll buy my dog a new collar. Last week he lost his during our walk. I could easily find it if he knew how to talk. So dollars and collar rhyme, walk and talk rhyme. Now I'm not going to have you write each quatrain, a poem for each quatrain. I'm going to show you an example of all 3 and then let you choose which one you want to use to write your poem at the end. So our next quatrain pattern is ABAB. Our example is: the monkey was doing kung fu. He was moving left and right. He knew just what to do, although he looked silly in a fight. So kung fu and do rhyme, right and fight rhyme. And our third quatrain pattern is ABCB. When I came upon a snake, I didn't know what to do. I stood scared and frozen. He was frightened too. So snake, do, and frozen do not rhyme, but do and to rhyme. So you are going to choose one of these 3 quatrains to use to write your poem. Remember, it has to be 4 lines, and based on whichever pattern you choose, that will be your rhyme scheme. So if you go back to, let's see, I'm going to exit here, and over on your slides here on the side, you can choose which quatrain you would like to use. Again, you don't have to do all 3, just one. So here we have pattern number 1. This is for pattern number 2, and the third one would be pattern number 3. So just select one and type your poem into.